Are you getting short, confusing, or inaccurate answers from ChatGPT? In many cases, the problem isn't ChatGPT, it's simply the way the prompt is written. With a few small changes, you can often get much better results. The first tip is to be specific. Instead of asking, "Tell me about dogs," try something like, "Explain why golden retrievers are good family pets," in 5 short paragraphs. The more details you provide, the easier it is for ChatGPT to understand exactly what you want. Next, tell ChatGPT what kind of answer you're looking for. For example, you can ask for a list, a table, step-by-step instructions, a summary, or a detailed explanation. Asking for the format you want usually gives you a much more useful response. You can also give ChatGPT some background information. Imagine you're asking for travel advice. Instead of saying recommend a vacation, explain your budget, where you're traveling from, how many people are going, and what kinds of activities you enjoy. The more relevant context you provide, the more personalized the answer can be. Don't be afraid to ask follow-up questions. You don't need to write the perfect prompt the first time. If the answer is too long, ask ChatGPT to shorten it. If it's too simple, ask for more detail. You can keep refining the conversation until you get exactly what you need. Another useful tip is to tell ChatGPT who the answer is for. For example, you can ask it to explain something to a beginner, a child, a student, or someone with professional experience. This changes the level of detail and the way the information is presented. Finally, remember that ChatGPT works best when your instructions are clear. Spending a few extra seconds writing a better prompt can save you much more time by giving you a better answer on the first try. Those are some simple ways to write better prompts in ChatGPT. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more ChatGPT tutorials, and check out my other guides. Thanks for watching.